Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1999 Chevy Camaro 4-speed automatic with the 5.7 liter V8 in Hugger orange with white interior, white top. I believe less than 25 were made in this color combination in 99. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Might be hard to see the Hugger orange next to a red car here, but probably should have had it in a different area, but I think you can see it until you get on this side, and you get the red shadowing here. But just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Before we get too far in this Hugger orange Camaro SS Z28, just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. We are on the corner of on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. I'm not going to show you the entire inventory. We do keep about 100 cars in inventory, as I mentioned. About 80% of those are domestic classic vehicles, and the other 20% are exotic luxury, as you see with this 2012 Bentley Mulsanne, another Bentley 2020 GTC. But back to this beautiful 99 Hugger orange Z28. If you have an interest in this vehicle, or I'm going too fast with the camera and you want to see a different angle, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have about 75 to 100 pictures of all our cars on the website. If you're not in the state of Florida and you have an interest in this Camaro SS, please give us a call or visit the website, as we do offer shipping and we can ship anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to about 8 different countries, 19 different US states. So we've shipped to Seoul, South Korea, Budapest, Hungary, New Zealand, Spain, Australia, Netherlands, Germany. So we can get this vehicle anywhere you may be. Just give us a call, 941-355-1955. Or as I mentioned, visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Just a beautiful 99 Camaro here, just over 60,000 miles at 63,000, in excellent condition. Again, beautiful white interior, very clean. Does have the white top. On the website we do have the top up as well, so you can see the top. It is in excellent condition. Go ahead and start it up for you here. Let you hear the 5.7 V8. It is automatic, as I mentioned. Power top, as you can see. Does have a CD player. The AC does blow cold. As you can see, just over 63,000 miles. One light, and yes, we don't have our seatbelts on, and we do have the door open. Interior is in excellent condition. Just a beautiful little 1999 Camaro Z28 SS in the coveted Hugger orange. Maybe cool exhaust, no smoke, a good thing. Paint is in excellent condition. SS badging. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. 1955 regarding this 1999 convertible, hugger orange, white top Camaro. Or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.